Scan and QR code winner 25 rand. Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Marumo Kala 0. I'm joined by Mbogoto. Yes!
I'm happy still.
Nama happy mama.
Namhla ikiss ngeke uyithole. Udeserve okukhulu kunekiss. Ungabuyi namhla sibuyela igoli. Ngibhukile. Siyolala. Namhla udeserve ikiss. Udeserve okukhulu. Thibo. Makhulumi yangimamela.
Yebo.
Ngathini kuwe? Ngathi sithatha MTN.
Yes.
So collector Carling Black Label senze namuhla
Collector Carling Black Label.
Ngicela uMatlo.
Yeah.
Uthi Matlo, last season was celebrate uthatha iNetbank. This season sithatha kwaSani. Matlo, ngicela ubheke ibhola edlala uMrembi, idlala uMbule. Uyekele istatus neattitude. Uhlale phansi makudlala iPirates. Ubukele iPirates ukuthi idlala kanjani.
Afunde.
Wabona kuPirates isithibo ne? Bafana bayadlala. Unkodi uhambile. Uvesi manje uRonaldo. Umbokazi uyahamba. Uyoba vesi Messi. Umatlo. Uyoba vesi Mukoko. It celebrate my Pirates idliwile. It celebrate my Pirates idliwile. So angazi yini this season bazoyi celebrate. Into abazoyi celebrate ukuthi bona bathi team enkulu ngama fan marayi ngebhola. Bona i-team enkulu ngama fan not ngebhola. But manje ukuthi nabaningi ngama fan angiboni ngoba this season I think bathola sold out mabadlala nePirates. Ayikho team la eSouth Africa ithola sold out without idlala nePirates. It's only Orlando Pirates ikhona ukuyenza isold out. So guys ngathi kuwe Steve ngicela ubabukhoza asihlanganisele wonke lama team. I'm happy. Sasana ngiyoba ngiseDurban ngidlala na wonke ama team. Ngiyoba ngicela abavotela uMatlo. Funa bayamenza sobo Mrem. Ngicela nivotele nabo Mrem. Ngicela nivotele uMatlo. 5,000. Nginika bonke bona mthuthu ukuthi bavotela uMatlo sodlala naye eDurban. Stibo.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their CIRA identification card?